Welcome to the SIEM GEN5 2U video series. In this video, we will cover the removal and the replacement of a SSD installed in the front of the chassis. The SSD is considered as a CRU, a customer replaceable unit. In order to remove a SSD in the front of the chassis, we will press in on the green latch that will release the handle as such, and then we will gently pull on the handle for the removal of the drive, which is located in the carrier tray. Notate the orientation of the top of the carrier tray and the placement of the SSD. The SSD is secured by 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4 that will need to be removed for the replacement of the drive. Keep the screws in a safe place because you will need them for reinstallation of the replacement SSD. The SSD is removed from the carrier tray. Now that the defective SSD has been removed, it is time to locate our replacement SSD. Remove it from its anti-static packaging. Notate the orientation of the drive to be secured into the carrier tray, ensuring that the 4 holes properly line up. After installing all 4 screws, we will now install the drive back into the bay. Make sure to locate the top of the carrier tray is showing and install towards the top of the chassis. Press in on the carrier tray, then press the black latch until it secures the tray to the chassis. After the successful replacement of the SSD, log into the system to verify component health and status check out OK. And that's how to replace a defective SSD drive.